one stand, and I already put my plants there, but it's not enough. So that epoxy I will be using, it's still need to have epoxy, but I have this list. I need calciumite, which is I didn't buy yet. This one I did not buy yet because Lord, I need help. So I need to buy epoxy. I bought earlier a plywood. I still need 1 liter of epoxy and 2 grams of bronze number 2, which is the nails, and bamboo, because I did not buy the bamboo yet because it's not needed yet. But tomorrow, the carpenter or the carpentry, he is going to use that. And if the materials already complete, it will be finished in like 1 week, including the paint and then the the lettering. So I need calciumite and paint. You know how big the boat